Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to add admin to a Facebook page. So friends, at first you have to log into the Facebook, and after logging to your Facebook account, you have to click on your Facebook profile picture and then select the Facebook page where you want to add people as a page admin. Now again click on the profile picture and then you have to click on settings and privacy, and after that you have to click on setting option, and now you have to click on new page insights, and now you will find an option people with Facebook access. Just you have to click on add now against that option. Now click next button. Now in the search box type the people name whom you want to add as page admin, and once you will see the profile, just select it. Now scroll down and change the toggle bar, allow these people to have full control, and after that you have to click give access. And now for security reasons you have to enter your Facebook profile password, and after that you have to click confirm button. And now you will able to see an invitation, and this invitation is expires in 31 days. And now let's accept the invitation. Now to accept the invitation, invited people have to log in their Facebook profile account. He or she will get also an invitation to their email ID also. Now click bell icon and then you will see a message invited you to manage Facebook page name. Now click on the invitation message. Now you will find an option review invitee in the dashboard of the page. Just click on review invitee and then click next button, and then again you have to click accept, and then you can switch account, switch now, or you can just click not now. After clicking switching now, you will find an option use page. Just need to click on use page option. That's it. This is the page from where invitation has been sent. Just refresh the page. Now you will see this user becomes Facebook page admin. Whenever you wish to remove this user, just click on the three dots and then click remove access option. You can also change the level of access. So friends, in this way you can add people as Facebook page admin. So thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.